Today we'll be learning about the tool Add Details. On the workspace, select the object you want to work with and choose Add Details from the drop-down tab. In the control panel of this tool, pay attention that we are in the mode of geometry adding edge. Point the mouse cursor on the object in the window viewport. If you pay attention, you can see that Add Details connects two horizontal edges using oriental pointers by one vertical, depending on where we point the mouse cursor. To add this edge to the object, click with the left mouse key. The tool adds the edge to any space and automatically closes the geometry with the closest vertices of the object. Pointing the mouse cursor at the center between two edges, the cursor automatically connects to their middle. In the control panel of this tool, there is automatic loop finding. Turning this on, the tool will search the loop of segments and repeat the object starting from it. The next geometry adding mode is in the control panel vertex. By choosing it, we can point the mouse cursor on the needed part of the object. From the mouse cursor, there will be the pointer of adding an anchor point to the object, which will automatically connect with the closest vertices. The mouse cursor will be connected to the center if you point the cursor on it, on the segment and on its center. Press the left mouse key to add the anchor point to the needed place. To confirm the action of this window, press OK or press Cancel to cancel.